Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to show you how to use Notta AI to take smart notes from your meeting. It works with Zoom, Google Meet and Microsoft Teams. So if you are always in calls, this can save you a lot of time and your stress. Before we start, don't forget to check the description below. I have added the Notta link, setup guide and any new updates or changes that comes later. And you will find everything in the description. Alright, let's get into it. So first, what is Notta AI? It's a tool that uses AI to join your online meeting and take notes for you. It can also work with audio or video files you upload. So if you have a team call, an online class, an online podcast and maybe an interview, there is no matter. Notta can listen, write down everything and give you a smart summary after all of these things. Now let's talk about how to actually use it. So after sign up for Notta AI, you will see a dashboard. That's where everything happens. There are few ways to take notes with Notta. The first way is by uploading a record, like this uploading and transcribe. So you can upload any of your file here. So if you already have a Zoom or Meet video saved on your computer, just upload it. Notta will transcribe it and give you a full notes from the video. The second way and my favorite, and that is to let Notta join your meeting live. Just go to this record online meeting and from here choose your language and then just paste the link here, and Notta will join as a client guest and you will get all the summary and notes. So don't worry, it wouldn't interrupt. It's just there to listen and take notes. So after the meeting done, you will see the full transcript summary and sometimes even action points. This is great for remembering who said what and what you need to do next. If you use different software like Microsoft Teams, Google Meet or Zoom, there is not any problem. The process is similar for each of the software. So you just need to share the link in this software and it will work for you. And cool thing is that you can search through your notes, highlight important parts and even share the notes with your team. You can download it as a PDF, Word or copy it to Google Docs too. So Notta also works on your phone, so you can review notes anytime and anywhere. One small tip for you, if you are using it for the first time, try to short test meeting. That way you will feel confident when using it in real calls. Alright, so that was it. Super easy and super helpful. So check the description below for the link and the tools I mentioned. And if you want to try Notta for free, I have added that too. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this, and I will see you in the next video.